Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to create these exercises in Solidworks. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos. So let's start. We start by the sketching this one with 70mm and extruded up to 40mm. You see this one, and we have the 70mm length and the width of 40mm extruded up to 20. You see. Let's start. File, new part. Okay. Top plane, sketch, choose center rectangle, start from origin. Okay, assign dimension. Now 70mm. Okay, this is 40mm. Okay, extrude up to 20mm. Okay, so up to 20mm. Then assign this ones from here up to this. We have 30mm. Okay, so it up to 20. Choose this face normal, sketch, choose corner rectangle, start from this up to here. Okay, same dimension of 20. Okay, isometric features, extrude up to 20. Okay, to 20. Say okay. You see. So then cut this one. You see this side. We're going to cut this side, measure of dimension of 20. You see, this 20, and distance from this one up to this is 10. Okay, let's see. Sketch corner rectangle. Start from this one. Okay, same distance 20. We have 10. This is 20, 10, and this is 10. Okay, it's the distance from this side. Okay, isometric features, cut extrude to 20. Okay, you see. Then assign, cut this one. See this one? I'm going to cut this one. Take this face normal, sketch line. Assign dimension, choose my dimension, give this range, give it 20. Okay, see, it is fully defined. That features, cut extrude up to 10. Okay, see, this is okay. Say okay. So you see we have this shape, then we are going to insert this hole, the hole with 20 diameter, and this distance from origin up to this one is 15. Okay, let's insert this radius of 10. Select this face, control key with this one, fillet, radius of 10. Okay, select this face, normal, sketch, circle. Okay, diameter of the hole is diameter of 20. Okay, okay, distance from this center up to this line is 50. Okay, so select this point, this one, make it horizontal. Okay, for define it, isometric, extrude cut through just can extrude blind through okay. So friends, you see, this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Make part plain, can change color by default. Select this part by default, assign a color, so choose any color you want from this one, say okay. So friends, this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more.